Hello students. This video shows an understanding and connection between improper and mixed fraction. Before we start looking at conversion, we quickly have a review what is improper and mixed number. Improper fraction. Improper fraction which has the numerator is greater than the denominator. So numerator is greater than the denominator. That is, so here we have 9 parts. That is, we divided one whole as 4 parts. Here 4 parts. Totally we have 9 parts. So 9 by 4. 4 is representing that one whole. In how much we divided that one whole. Mixed number. Mixed number is nothing but we are using the whole as well as the fraction. So whole. So here this one is the whole. So how many wholes we are using here? We are using 2 wholes. So 2. Then how many part of the whole we used? That is 1 by 4. So 2, 1 by 4. So improper fraction, we are using number of parts. In mixed fraction, we are using the whole, how many wholes we used, and the part of the whole. Let us see the converting of mixed to improper and improper to mixed number. So here 9 by 4. So 9 by 4, you should see that how many times that 4 fits in 9. That is, how many times that denominator fits in the numerator. How many times that denominator fits in the numerator. So when you divide it, or if you are finding it, that how many 4s are fits in that one whole, that is 4, then 4. So there are 2 times of 4 fits in a 9. So 2 times of fits, that is the whole. Then how much is the remaining? One part is remaining. So 1 by 4. That is the 4 is representing that how much the one whole is divided. So converting improper to mixed fraction, you have to divide numerator with the denominator. So here we divided it 4 divided by 9 divided by 4. So 4 2 times is 8. Remaining is 1. So the whole to, that is the quotient to be the whole. What the quotient we are getting, that to be the whole. Then that remainder to be the numerator. Then the divisor to be the denominator. So this is the way how to convert improper to mixed fraction. Yes. Then how to converting mixed to improper fraction. How to converting mixed to improper fraction. For that, so you have to multiply denominator to the whole. That is 2 into 4 plus 1 plus 1 by denominator. So 2 4 times is 8 plus 1. That is 9 by 4. So this is that way to find converting mixed to the improper number. That is denominator into the whole plus the numerator by the denominator. Let us see why we are doing this. Why we are using this formula. So here, see. Here, how many 4s are there? 2 4s. So 2 into 4. That's why we are multiplying 2 into 4. So 4 parts, 2 times are there. So 4 into 2. Plus, how much is remaining? 1 part is remaining. So we are adding to that 1. So here 2 into 4 plus 1. I am repeating again. So here how many 4 parts are there? 2 4 parts are there. So 2 into 4. That's why we are multiplying 2 into 4. Then plus. How much is remaining part? 1 is the remaining part. So we are adding 1. So 4 times of 2 is 8 plus 1 by 4. 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4. So this is the procedure to converting mixed to the improper fraction. That is denominator into whole plus numerator by the denominator. Thank you.